Yes, question number 8 topic do you want to ask?
No, sir.
No problems. Yes. Yes, yeah. This is a figure. Okay. ABCD is a figure. Okay. And this is your 100 degree. Okay. This is your X. This is your Y. And this is your Z. X, Y, Z and 100 degree. And complete the following parallelograms. Find the value of unknown value X and Y, Z. This is parallelograms. And you have to find out the value of X, Y and Z. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, stand up. Hello, stand up. Yes. Any step do you want to use to find out the value of X and Y, Z? But please keep in mind that it is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, this side is parallel to this side and this side is parallel to this side. Okay? Use the properties of parallelogram to find out the value of X, Y and Z. Please tell me. Please tell me. Any step do you want to use to find out the value of X, Y and Z? Yes, next. Next.
Sir, we have to, sir, 360 minus 100.
360 minus 100.
Yes, sir.
If you will 360 minus 100, then the value of X plus Y plus Z is equal to 260.
Yes, sir.
But the value of X, Y and Z, different value of X, Y and Z.
100, 200. Sir, why is 100?
Yes?
100.
Y is 100. Why?
Sir, because this 100 degree has the same, so it's the same minus.
Why is equal to 100? ये भी रीजन हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है, मैं मानता हूँ बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट ठीक है. Y is equal to 100 डिग्री है. बट why क्यों है?
Opposite.
यस अपोजिट.
Sir, अब sir, opposite है same. Opposite number और same diagram.
अपोजिट एंगल है.
R same
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
100.
यस.
Sir, 100, y will equal to 100 because it's opposite angle to the 100 degree angle, and then y and x are the adjacent angle. So 100 minus x, 100 plus.
Y is equal to 100 degree.
Yes.
Why?
So because opposite angle.
Yes, y is equal to 100 degree because opposite angles
Are equal.
of a parallelograms are equal. Opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal. Okay, is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Ain't out any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, yes. Sit down. Yes. Now we have to find out the value of X and Z. X and Z. Are you sleeping? Where is your notebook? Where is your book?
Sir,
कुछ नहीं आया है, कुछ नहीं आया है।
सर 3 पीरियड्स हुआ है सर.
सर कुछ नहीं आया है, सर
Tell me. How can you find out the value of X and Z? Any idea?
Sir, I have done.
Any idea? How can you find out the value of X and Z? Please tell me. What are you doing? क्या कर रहे हो आप? आपका एग्जाम है, क्या कर रहे हो आप? Yes.
सर x सर y equals to 100, so sir by adjacent property sir y plus x equals to sir 180.
Why?
Sir by adjacent property.
Yes.
by adjacent
Yes. Very good. Sit down. Yes. AD parallel to BC and DC is a transversal. AD parallel to BC and DC is a transversal, so y plus x is equal to
180.
180 degree. Sum of co-interior angle या sum of interior angle on the same side of a transversal are supplementary. या आप इसको ऐसे कर सकते हैं, DC is parallel to AB and BC is a transversal, so 100 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Sum of co-interior angles. ट्रांसवर्सल के एक ही साइड में जो दो एंगल पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में जो ट्रांसवर्सल होती है, एक ही साइड में दो एंगल का सब कितना होता है 180 डिग्री होता है. 180 डिग्री. ओके यस. AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC and BC is a transversal. Is a transversal. AB parallel to DC and BC is a transversal. So 100 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Why? Sum of co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior angles. Okay. अब देखिए यहाँ पे देखिए x is equal to 180 minus 100.
Yes sir, 80 degree.
X is equal to 80 degree.
Yes sir.
X is equal to 80 degree.
So z equals to 80 degree. Sir.
If it is x is 80 degree,
Sir, z is
then
80
z is
80 degree.
why set up
सर अपोजिट है
opposite किसके?
सर
X के. इसके opposite angles. Next opposite angles. क्या है ये? प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है? इसकी प्रॉपर्टी है opposite angle इक्वल होते हैं. इसकी प्रॉपर्टी है, इसकी प्रॉपर्टी है. किसकी प्रॉपर्टी है ये? राम की, श्याम की, घनश्याम की. इसकी प्रॉपर्टी है अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ घनश्याम आर इक्वल.
No sir, parallelogram.
सब पैरेलल
है बोलो ना, ये पैरेललोग्राम है. एक्स किसकी प्रॉपर्टी है? एक्स के अपोजिट कोई मैं थी वो इक्वल हो जाएगा. मैं आपके अपोजिट खड़ा हूं, मैं इक्वल हूं आपके. फिर देखिए यहाँ पे देखिए यहाँ पे क्या होगा. z is equal to x, that is equal to 80 degree. Reason, what is the reason?
Sir, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal.
Opposite angles,
Parallelogram are same.
opposite angles
और पैरेललोग्राम स्टेट
of a parallelograms are equal. Okay, opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है?
यस सर
Any doubt, any problems?
नो सर
Next question is, do it. क्वेश्चन नंबर आपका यहाँ पे the measure of two adjacent angles the measure of two adjacent angles
Sir, उधर के कैमरे में कैसे आ रहा है?
angles of a parallelograms are in the ratio of 2:3. Ratio of 3:2. Okay. Yes, 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Measures of each of the measure of each of the angles of the angles of a parallelogram. Yes, do it fast. Do it fast.
Please check.
Yes, it is parallelograms.
Sir, can you check?
A, B, C, D. And it is 3x and 2x.
Is it 3x and 2x?
The 3x plus 6.
Yes, where adjacent angles are 3x and 2x. Okay, 3x and 2x. Okay. Now AB parallel to DC and AD is a transversal. AB, CD is a parallelograms. Same question वैसा ही है. Okay. Now angle A, let angle A is equal to 3x and angle B is equal to 2x. Okay. AB parallel to DC.
Yes.
AB parallel to DC and AD is a transversal. AB parallel to DC and AD is a transversal. Okay. AB parallel to DC and AD is a transversal. So, आप ऐसे कीजिए AD parallel to BC.
Yes.
AD parallel to BC. इसको ऐसे कीजिए. Yes. AD parallel to BC and AB is a transversal. AD parallel to BC and AB is a transversal. Okay. Now 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Why?
So because sum of two interior angles is equal to
180
180
degree.
180 degree. 3x plus 2x is equal to 180
So
degree.
5x equals to 180, so 180 upon.
X is equal to
Yes.
36.
Sum of co-interior angles.
Yes, sir.
Sum of co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior
Angles.
angles. बातें नहीं भी. Sum of co-interior angles. Okay. Now 5x is equal to
180.
180 degree.
So
X is
36.
equal to what is x?
So 36. 180 over 5.
180 divided by 5. 36. X is equal to 36 degree. Okay. Now it becomes 108
Yes, sir.
and it is your 72. If it is 72, it becomes 72. It is 108, it becomes 108. Why?
So
The opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal.
Opposite angles of parallelograms are equal.
सर सर वो ना प्लस साइन तो करिए सर क्योंकि स्क्रीन छोटे हुए से आपको सर बार बार नया फाइल सर वो प्लस सिंबल है वहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे